What's up, everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Studio, and today magpapadala na naman tayo ng box papuntang Pilipinas through my trusted dealer, Makati Express Cargo. Yan o. So, busy na naman ako mag-pack ng aking gamit at mga ipapadala sa Pinas. So, ayun na nga ang box ko. Tapos ko na rin i-pack siya, pa-finalize ko na lang. Ikot-ikutan ko na lang yan parang Spider-Man. Ikot-ikot dito sa gilid kasi na tape ko na yung up and down, at the same time yung pa horizontal, yung ano niya, yung hindi, vertical pala, vertical tapes, ganyan. Horizontal tapes naman. Ayun si Mama, kitang-kita dun, oh, nanonood siya ng aking vlog. Bago ka maingay mo eh. Yan. So, let's go. Let's do it. Paikutan natin yan para masupport yung ano niya, yung tapes niya, tsaka yung body ng box. Parang ganito lang yan. Start tayo dito. Tapos mamaya pipick upin na to ni Idris, aking friend from Makati Express. Shout out to you, Idris. Magandang exercise din itong pagbabalot ng box eh. Nakaka-bend-bend ka eh. So, from bottom to top. Pahinga muna konti. Paubos na yung plaster na ginamit ko. So, gagamit na naman ako ng isa. One last round. Okay, final round. Safe and secured. So, naka-tatlong tape din ako na nagamit para ibalot tong super jumbo box, and now ready to pick up to Makati Express mamayang hapon. So sa mga gustong magpadala ng box to Philippines or anywhere in Asia, tangkilikin nyo yung Makati Express. Mabilis at secured, safe, and trusted yung mga employees dyan. Lalo yung friend ko dyan na si Idris. Shoutout Idris, and sana marami kayong customer. More customers to come. Okay, ready to go to Philippines. Ayan, nag-text na yung pipick up ng box ko si Mr. Idris. So, bababa na ako dun sa reception para i-meet siya. Let's go! There is Mr. Idris. So he will pick up my box now. It's the Makati Express car. Yep. Yes, bro. Say hi to my vlog. Idris again. This one I will upload. So we'll pick up the box now. Now this, my friend Idris, will pick the box. My very trusted agent from Makati Express. Yep. So guys, if you want to send box from Philippines or anywhere in Asia, call Makati Express here in Saudi Arabia. They are fast, secured, and safe. Yeah, I will fill up now. So before you send, you need to fill this up, the shipper's declaration form. So it will be easy for you to do the process, for them to do the process. So when filling up, put all the description or your items inside the box, then sign, then pay. Of course, pay Mr. Idris here in Alcobar.
You mentioned also my number.
So now this is the receipt Idris made. He has a good handwriting, honestly.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is Mr. Idris from Alcobar. So whenever you see him, he is the best guy.
So also you follow the channel and subscribe.
Thank you very much, my friend. So now my box is ready to go. I'll go with Mr. Idris. I'll go down also. Wait, my card. Bye-bye, box.
We'll see you in the Philippines.
Thank you. See you after this box will be maybe January. I send it October, maybe January. Yep. There it goes. My box going to the van. Yep. Box coming out, going to the van. So my box is there. I'll help him. Bye, box. Ayan na, alis na yung box ko. So guys, Makati Express, dito kayo magpadala. At safe, mabilis, and secure.
Okay.
Bye, Idris. Thank you, my friend. Alis na yung box ko. Okay. Bye-bye. Before sending the box, don't forget to claim these receipts from the receiving guy, Mr. Idris, for your reference. Thank you, Makati Express.